You're welcome to the channel. My name is Daniel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to start streaming on Twitch. So if you are a beginner and you want to start streaming on Twitch, then this video is for you. So right here is my mobile device. You can actually do this on your PC as well. So looking here at the bottom of the screen, you can see the plus button at the bottom of the screen. You just simply need to go ahead and click on it like this. And you're going to see two options, which is stream games and stream IRL. So you can actually stream on Twitch by streaming games, or you can actually stream by showing your face. So if you want to be showing your face on Twitch while streaming, then you need to go for stream IRL. But let's say you want to stream with games, you can go for stream games. So I'm going to show you how to stream with games. The steps are actually the same. So clicking on stream games like this, you need to go ahead and enable overlay. Once you do that, go ahead and click on open setting. Go ahead and turn on Twitch in order to allow Twitch to appear at the top of your screen. So you need to go back like this. So right here, you need to select the category of the game you want to play. So let's say you want to go for Roblox. You can go ahead and select Roblox like this and click on continue. So once you do that, you need to read this and then go ahead and click on next. So right here, you need to select your stream quality. So you need to go for performance, which is this one here. Then go ahead and click on continue at the bottom of the screen. So right here, you need to set your title and also set your go live notification. Now go live notification is actually a notification that is going to be sent to your fans and people on Twitch, telling them what you are doing on your stream. Now if you want the notification to be as, let's say, your name and then you telling them that you are live streaming. Now let's say you say Luke is live streaming. That can be your go live notification. So you can simply go ahead and type in your name, then type in go live. This actually shows that you are live streaming currently, and if your fans are interested in your live, they can click on the notification and go to your live. So once you do that, go ahead and click on next like this in order to share your screen. So then it is actually going to direct you to your Roblox app, or you can simply go to your Roblox app or the mobile game you want to live stream with. So this is what you need to know. Once you start live streaming like this, once you have started sharing your screen, anything you are doing on your device is actually going to be screen recorded and displayed as your live on your Twitch live. So you need to be careful of what you are displaying on your screen once you start sharing your screen. So you just need to go to the game and start playing the game. So this is how simple it is to start streaming on Twitch. Hope you find this guide helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful tips like this. See you in the next one.